Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. Summer is upon us, and I'm very excited to show you this brand new gas grill I just picked up. This is the Weber Spirit 2 E-310 gas grill. Now I've been shopping around for a new grill for a couple of months now, and I was going back and forth between this Weber grill and the Charbroil Commercial True Infrared grill. Both of them are priced around $500, but after reading all the reviews on the Charbroil grill, there were a lot of owners complaining about the parts rusting out after 3 to 6 months. And some people had some issues with getting parts replaced by the manufacturer under warranty. So that's definitely something I didn't want. Now with the Weber grill, they have a 10-year warranty covering all the parts. And also people who've had this grill or the previous model have really good positive reviews on this. And all the parts are holding up really well even after several years of use. So let's unbox this, put this together, and I'll show you what this grill looks like. Here's a look at the packaging. Everything is strapped in. Here are all the parts I took out of the box. These are the grates. Here's another look of these parts. So now we just have to follow the assembly guide step by step, and I'll put this together. Just put your propane tank onto the scale. Now weigh this down and it'll tell you how much propane is in here. And here's a look at this assembled Weber Spirit 2 grill. On this side, you can pull this down. It has an electronic starter. Okay, let's start this up. Underneath the porcelain coated cast iron grate, there are 3 burners. There's also one more burner at the very back of this grill. But you'll notice there are 5 heat dispersion plates. 3 of them are covering the burners. The 2 plates on the outside and the plate in the middle cover the burner. There are 2 additional ones on either side. And what that'll do is help disperse heat throughout the entire grill. Also, the heat dispersion plate completely covers the burner, and that'll protect it from any grease falling from the food, which will extend the life of these burners. Now I'm going to grill some food on here and enjoy this new grill. Here you can see the steaks turn out really good. I just took out the sausage, and these are also very good. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of this Weber Spirit 2 E-310 gas grill. What makes this grill better than other brands out there is the quality of the components used. You can tell Weber used the best material. All the parts and components are very high quality. Even the screws used in the assembly are painted to prevent rusting. With a 10-year warranty from the manufacturer, you know this grill will last a very long time. As for the performance of the grill, this grill gives you 529 square inches of cooking space. With the 3 burners, it outputs 30,000 BTU per hour, and I had no problem cooking a large amount of food for the family. You can easily control the temperature and cook the food just the way you want it. I also like the fact the side hanger that holds your propane tank has a built-in scale, so you know how much propane gas you have in the tank. Now this Spirit 2 E-310 gas grill has a top black cover. You can also get it in whites, red, or sapphire color. Now I got this grill on Amazon for $449, which is about $50 less than most retail box stores. Now if you want to get this for your home, I'll include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.